Previous drive access has been removed. New drive access I have given. So it will be there. Won't be coming on regular basis. Their access will be removed by default. I don't know how they are going to change that. So please come on daily basis. Otherwise, again they will remove the access. हाँ भाई. Or added 10. Okay. No, I will give it. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to install Jenkins. Go to Google, open Google, download Jenkins on Ubuntu. Download Jenkins on Ubuntu. Sir, yesterday why you didn't come? I will not allow class, sir. Again, you have to attend next batch. Sir. You informed anyone? Institute at least inform, no, sir. Yesterday your access is removed. Please come class, sir. At least 1 month give to me. If any interview, they at least inform me that interview is there tomorrow. Go to first link. Go to first link. Click on Debian or Ubuntu. Done. These all are the steps which we have to add it to install Jenkins. Right? So now what we are going to do, first let us install Jenkins. Copy the first command. Don't do it together. If anywhere it is getting stuck, troubleshooting will be little tricky. Where is laptop? Okay. Copy first command. So now what we are doing, before installing any of the Jenkins, it will take the Jenkins package first. It will download the package, then it is going to install any version. Just like when you install Java, when you install any software, let us suppose antivirus, you are going to install whole package. Inside the package, you are going to install one particular installer option. You are going to install some software. Here also, when we are adding Jenkins on an instance, first we need to add the package. Then we have to take the key for that because you are taking from the Jenkins official website. So these are the steps which you don't have to buy it, don't need to know also. Official documentation page is enough. We are not taking in third-party page. We are taking the Jenkins website only. Clear? Now, first command you give. Before that, you update one time because you have turned on the instance again. It's general practice. So how to update, you know, right? apt, and everything will be as a root user, not as a Ubuntu user. apt get update -ym. apt get update -ym. Done. We have updated the package. What happened? Java not installed. Jenkins, one instance you created. Instance inside that you update one time apt get update -y or turn on that instance. Sir, you also absent yesterday. Why? You also went for interview. Which interview? Then why you didn't come? It's my wish. Very good. दाल बना के रखा है, पैसा बहुत है ना. Okay, see here. So we have updated. After updation, what we have to do? We have to download it. We have to add the package. So just go to that official website, copy the first command up to key, add this command. That's it. Then now your package got added. You can see it's written no share Jenkins key. Now key it is taking the key. So you don't have to understand these parts. After that second command you take up to null. Up to null. First you start from sudo, take up to key. Second command up to null. Right click. Done. Second command also done. Third command, we have to update one time. So update it. Okay. Enter it. Update it. हो गया. चलो. रजनीकांत होते जा रहे हो. रजनीकांत होते जा रहे हो. Fast. Madam, what about you? First maximize. No one will take your window. Now after that install Jenkins. Install Jenkins. Done. Give yes. Install Jenkins. आपको तो आता ही होगा Jenkins. Done. Done. How many days you have, madam? 1 more day. You are telling 3 days from last 4 days. Yes, madam. Madam, what about you? Able to do last? Okay. Go to that list. Yesterday you were there, sir? Oh, I'm so not there. I know yesterday you were there. Telling Java command. Java command, we are doing right. You were not there yesterday. You were there. Telling Java command. What about you, sir? Last. Jenkins hyper version or Jenkins hyper version, both you check. Know the Jenkins version. I think you know also. If you ask me that Jenkins version you are aware of. 1920, how much is it? Okay. Sir, control is not work there. I anyone you can. Jenkins hyper version or Jenkins hyper version. Both recheck करते हैं. Exactly I don't remember. Hyper version of Jenkins hyper version. Hyper. Okay. Now let us talk about Jenkins. Right? This version you write in notebook. This they will ask in interview that which Jenkins version you have used in your project. Done. What about you, madam? Done. Okay, once you are done with this, now let us right. Jenkins default port is right. Note note. Jenkins default port is 8080. This also you have to remember. Jenkins default port is 8080. Written. So if default port I am telling 8080, it means instance we have to open the port 8080. And how to open the port? We have to go to inbound rule under security and we have to open the port. So let us go to that instance. AWS, go to that instance. Go to security group. Security, you can see. Security groups. Go to security groups. Last, sir. Help him. Him, Shashank. Shashank, if you are not understanding anything, ask him. Don't be simplicity. पूछेगा ही नहीं, बैठा रह जाता है. अब फिर आएगा मेरे पीछे पीछे कि सर ये नहीं सब्जेक्ट. स्पून फीडिंग करना रहता है. Now go to security group. अभी बोले तो कुछ फायदा. Go to edit inbound rule. Add the port. Add rule 8080. Add it. Custom. Take anywhere IPv4. Select 8080. So once again, very good. Faster. Faster. Okay. Select that instance. Select that instance. After selecting, go to security. Then, after security, you can see one security group down. Click on that security group. Clicked or not clicked? Clicked. Okay, fine. You will see two options. Inbound rule and outbound rule. Inbound rule is used for incoming traffic. Outbound rule used for outgoing traffic. Now you want Jenkins to work on instance. Instance will have their own port. When you create an instance, you will give some port, HTTP. You will click on checkbox. So that two ports are open, but Jenkins port is not open. If Jenkins port is not open, you cannot interact with the Jenkins because that incoming traffic user want to interact with Jenkins. So port should be open, right? So go to inbound rule. Click on edit inbound rule. Clicked. Oh, chalo, you are faster. After edit inbound rule, see one option called add rule. Click on add rule. Click on add rule. You will see one option, one box, custom TCP. Leave it like that only. TCP port only will open it. Give the port number. Add 8080. Added. Added. Okay. You will get one drop down. So who all are from AWS or completed AWS, they'll be knowing better than me. Madam, we have three options: anywhere, IPv4, anywhere, and my IP. What is the difference? All three. Tell na AWS. Okay, listen guys, everyone. Listen it now. Acha, whose AWS is completed? Be honest and tell. Very good. One more, madam. Good. Tell. This much, I don't want this one. Simple. These people don't know now. See, anywhere we have two types of IP, right? IPv4 and IPv6, right? So IPv6 generally we are not using. IPv4 we are using. So any IP, whatever you are using in your instance, if you are using IPv4, any instance IP anywhere, anyone can access by that instance. So incoming traffic is anywhere. That's why we have given. Anywhere IPv6 we are not using. My IP means it will take your system IP. System IP, whatever IP you are connected to the internet, only that person can enter to the instance. Other person cannot open Jenkins. So we are taking anywhere so that everyone can access it. Done. After that, click on save rules. Save rule clicked. Done. Shashank, done. Last, madam, sir, done. Why you are slow? Check both the laptops, sir. Last. You're back only to check both the laptop. What is issue? Done. Madam, what about you? Doing madam done. Okay. Now let us log into the instance. Go to our instance. Go to that instance which you have. Go to networking. Go to networking. Select the public IP. Public IP. Public IP. Select the public IP. Go to new tab. Select the public IP. Go to new tab. Paste that one. Very good. Give colon port number 8080. If you are not adding the port number, Jenkins will not open. Enter it. You can see you will get a window. This one, unlock Jenkins. Wait, don't be in hurry, wait. I have to explain some part. Google, don't search, madam. Google searching. Port you have not added. Check what type IP, check it. Check IP. IP port number is added. Madam, last, you're doing or not doing? Just now, what is the issue? Voice is not able to log. So everyone are on the same page. Shashank, shift chair to this side. यहाँ बैठा है वहां से चेयर यहाँ पे खाली यहाँ बैठ जाएगा ना, बताना पड़ेगा वो बेचारा यहाँ से कहाँ सेंटर पे चेयर खाली है, वहां नहीं बैठा है, इधर बैठ जाएगा तो मुझे हेल्प होगा। Then wait. I have to explain something. That's why I did that. So all are on same page. So all are on same page. Ah, front page will be there. What happened? Okay, give me 2 minutes. I will check your laptop. Jyotsna, what happened? They said not able to log in. Madam, not able to do. Ask someone. Don't feel shy. Always be knowledge uncle. Then you will learn. I will also ask from candidates lot of time. Fine. So we are on the space. Now it is asking for the password. Copy this one. It's written below. Please copy the password from either location and paste it below. Copy this location. Copy this location. Go to your instance. Copy this location. वही देखिए. Sir, see, one more thing I will tell you, sir. If any day you are making absent, next day please don't help. Nobody will help that person. Let them be absent. Let them suffer. Then they will understand the pain. Now, initial stage, Jenkins, you are able to help. Once we start with Docker and a lot of configuration changes are there. Nobody will help you. Please, if you are absent also, do from recording that night only, complete it, then come. Blindly don't come after absent. Okay, so we have copied this particular path. Go to instance cat command. Give cat command and paste that path. When you paste that path, it will show password. Yes, no such fun. I did something. Oh, shit, wrong instance. Human and previous batch I have. Copy this key. Copy this key. Go to Jenkins machine. Here I opened. Paste this key. After pasting key, click on continue. Click on continue. See, this thing we have to understand carefully. Customize it. We have two options. Install suggested plugin, select plugins to install. If you are using Android phone, this or every there it will show some default software. Software to download by default, Android will give. Then you can download digital checkbox, because checkbox will download. That is one option. Another option we have there is a name of software. Install suggested plugins. Jenkins will give us some default plugins. You take that plugin, install it. Otherwise, select plugin to install, you will get lot of plugins. Whatever you want, that you use. In real time, you can use this also or this also. Both are same. So whatever plugins are available, you can choose according to your project. Some Jenkins will give default plugin. Click on that, automatically it will download the default. Mostly automatic download plugins will be, lot of plugins will be by default inside. Just click on install suggested plugin, automatic plugins will be downloaded. Now if you click on this, it will take some time. You see, these are the plugins which is already there. Pipeline, Git plugin is already there. You don't have to search plugin. Some build agent, workspace, pipeline, some grooving pipeline, Gradle. When we are using Gradle plugin is already there. So some plugins by default they have added. So you don't have to choose an add. That's why I have clicked on suggested plugin. Here, both you can take according to your project. It will take some time to get downloaded. You people can also click. It will take some time. Okay. The most important step, most dangerous step also. Why I am telling this one? Because now you will not understand. Now you will feel very easy. Because same machine, now don't terminate any one instance. Same instance, just stop the server. That's it. While leaving your class, stop the server and leave. Don't terminate. If you terminate, again you have to do from beginning. 20 classes, we are using the same instance. Almost 50 classes. So don't terminate. Now this is a dangerous step and this is the easy step also. Please don't give username and password if you don't remember after some. If you are adding something, please remember every batch I have for my example, you will forget the what Jenkins user and password they have added that time. So give easy one which you remember. For that, the best way is there, madam. Where I will sit there. Ah, yes, fine. Ah. That will be no problem. Okay, see here. The best way to remember is give admin, everything admin, so that you can remember and write somewhere admin, everything admin, so that you can remember. Again, in real time, you are not going to create a user. That you remember. These users will be created by the admin department. Jenkins users and all. You are not creating. This is for the training purpose. So we are learning both the thing. Admin also, user also. Clear? So everything you give admin and remember or write somewhere in notebook. After some time, 100% forget. Save and continue. Done? Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Click on start using Jenkins. One more thing, sir. One more thing. You have to remember how many elastic IP we can use. How many elastic IP we can use in AWS? 500. Open the window, you will have. How many elastic IP we can use in single account? AWS. Madam, AWS. 60. Open that window. How many? I'm not asking how many elastic IP in a single AWS account we can use. Good matter. Add one, some more. 5 we can use. 5 we can use in a single account. Now, why I'm telling you this thing? As we are not using any elastic IP, Shashank see here, everyone see here first, this is important. As we are not using elastic IP, we are using the public IP which instance is getting created. Now today when you are stopping the server, tomorrow same IP will not work. That you remember. Whenever you have to log into instance, whatever public IP will be there on that time, colon port number you have to give 800. 800 will not change, only public IP will change. Every time. Because this is for training purpose, the IP is too costly. Even we are also not using in real time. In our project also only 3 elastic IP are using. It is costly. So we are taking a public IP here. Real time we will be using elastic only. Because that IP why we are using? Because our application is inside it. Daily, every time you will not send different IP to the customer. That's here as a training purpose we are using a public IP. So when you stop the server after class, tomorrow when you come and turn on the Jenkins, you don't have to install anything. Just you give the public IP at that time, whatever public IP will be there. Port number 806. Clear? Understood? So tomorrow don't ask, my Jenkins is not opening, sir. Understood? So no need to write and no need to buy out this IP also. Clear? Only port number you have to remember 8080 is a Jenkins default port number. Now, this is the port number we reached. Now let us understand some Jenkins concept. Let us start with first job. Let us create one first job. See this new item you can see plus new item, people, build history, manage Jenkins, my views. New item where you can create a job. So let us understand for job type. See, enter item name, and we have five type of jobs we can create. Means five type in the sense, in five type of projects we can create. So first is freestyle project, which will be used as a we have five types of project. What is, let us suppose you are working for some project and you are going to create a job. Yesterday I have given an example. Basic technology, your cloud computing course is the project for you, right? In cloud computing course also, we can create a different jobs. Freestyle means someone is, let us suppose four people want to join basic. One people they will come and they will start doing the filling the admission form and go and search classes where the class is going just to see classes. That is one. Another way, one person will come, he will first fill the admission form, go for inquiry, then come for class. Another person first will attend the demo, then he will go for payment, then he will take the inquiry. So you can see they are not using the proper process. That is freestyle. Means any way you can create a job. How you want, according to that you can create. That's why it's written. This is a central feature of Jenkins. Jenkins will build their project combining any SCM. SCM is something like a SCM they use for Git, dispatch, Git. Any SCM is Git, Bitbucket, GitLab, anything. Source code management tool which we have used. Git, right? So Git. And this can be even used for software other than software build. Jenkins we are using as a CI/CD tool. CI/CD in the sense that we are going to create a build from this Jenkins, then we are going to deploy, right? CI/CD. Now here, what we are doing, each type project means randomly how you want to create a job, you can create. There is no specific path. Is it just like see if you are following a specific path, first inquiry, then first in details, then inquiry, then admission, payment, then admission. You are following some criteria. That is not a freestyle. Freestyle is anyway you can take admission. That is freestyle. Pipeline project means you have to follow the pipeline. First, you have to create a inquiry, then payment, then you can start the job. Start your class. This is some pipeline we are following. So real time you will be using pipeline only mostly. So both the ways we can do. Here also we can generate a pipeline. Here also we can generate a pipeline. There is no change in build, creation, and deployment. Only change in style of project is changing. Like someone want to create a pipeline by specific syntax. Someone want like I want to see what is happening in each job. Then I can go for freestyle. For learning purpose, this is best because you will understand each job what is happening. Here automatically it will run. So here you cannot learn more things. Multi-configuration project suitable for projects a large number of different configuration. Just like we have different environments. You want to deploy in the build on production server. You want to deploy a build on testing server. You want to deploy a build on development server. Different servers. That's what it's written. Different configurations as a testing and multiple environments. Environments means what? You are going to deploy on different servers. Platform specific. You want to deploy on Linux. You want to deploy on Windows or Mac. That's why it's written platform specific. Folder. Let us suppose we are not having any Git. We are not using. Companies having their own centralized folder. From where you have to pull the code. We are not using SCL. Let us suppose some product company they will have their own tool. They will not go third-party tools, open source tools for security purpose. Especially Intel and all. So I work for Intel. There we are using some different type of tool. There that is Intel specific. So here also folder we are creating a container. Don't understand now. Something like we are creating some virtual system. And virtual system we are going to create with type of folder. We are not using Git at all. We are directly taking from the folder. Multi-branch pipeline means what? This type of project when we create, then we have to create on different branches. This will take from master by default. But you want one pipeline to run from master, one from feature branch, one from code fix branch. We are seeing different branches. So that different branches you want to run your build. That's why we go for multi-branch pattern project. So this is something like a style of projects. Same thing like because suppose you can learn online also, you can learn offline also. Both you can learn it. But we are just taking the project strategy. One by online, one by offline. Here are the different style of projects are there. Anyone in for learning purpose, best will be finish them so that we can learn each job what we are doing the verification. So in real time, when you will be working, it will be easy for you to learn it. Yeah. Understood any doubt anyone? Once we create a job, then you will understand more. We are going to create a single job. That job when we first create, then you will understand what is the job benefits. Clear? Up to idea? About I know. So, okay, we wind up here. So tomorrow when you come for class, Monday I will be again 5 minutes late. That is going on. So please turn on your Jenkins machine. Then sit in class. Or sit in class, then turn on your Jenkins machine. Before the Jenkins machine is page. Or before that page, any page. You can open it. So that it won't waste our time. Yeah?